Hello, this is Brett with WIPDeveloper.com. Last time we created our first Lightning Web component. It didn't look too special as it was just text on the blue background with the lines and it was hard to read. Let's make it stand out more by adding some styling using the Salesforce Lightning Design System. The Salesforce Lightning Design System can be found at lightningdesignsystem.com. We don't actually need to download anything from there, but we're going to use it for reference. What we want to do is change our component that you can barely see here so that it looks more like a page header. To do that, on Lightning Design System, let's find the page header. And we can see once the page header page loads that this is a base page header. So to use this, we can look at the code. To make our first component look like this, we could copy this and paste it right into the editor. So I'm going to paste it right below so that we can change just the parts we need. And the first thing you'll notice is that it doesn't like this SVG. And I don't like it either because we're not going to use the opportunity icon. So I'm going to get rid of that. And since we're not going to use the opportunity icon, what I want to use is, I want to use this female technologist. I'm going to copy that over, paste it in the span, and put a space, so everyone has their own space. And I'm going to use the male technologist. I'm getting these from emojipedia.com, male-technologist, and emojipedia.com/female-technologist. And I'll try to remember to add a link below. So I have a female technologist, I have a male technologist, and that is what my icon is going to be looking like. That gets rid of the error with the icon class, but I want it to say WIPDeveloper.com for the page header. So I'm going to replace this title with WIPDeveloper.com and the assistive text. And then in the H1 that was displayed in the page header, this is the H1. I'm going to change that to WIPDeveloper.com. I'm also going to change the title just so it's consistent. And this Mark Jerk J. Kyle Unlimited Customer, I'm going to change so that it says is awesome underneath. Sort of like the small text. And an exclamation mark, because that's fun. Save this, it gets formatted a little cleaner. Yeah. Leave it like that, I guess. I'm gonna leave it like, why is that span messed up? Oh, that's the way it wants to auto format, so I'm gonna leave it for now. I'm gonna push this. You can see what's going on is we have all this markup. We have the divs with the SLDS classes already included, and we don't have to do anything to add the SLDS classes. We haven't added a style sheet. We aren't requiring it we're not requiring SLDS here. It's included because we're extending the Lightning element. So as long as our custom Lightning Web component is in Salesforce Lightning Experience, or if it's in the mobile app, it should display properly with Lightning Design System. So that's pushed. Let's refresh the page a few times. We should see there. Now we have, this is the top part of our component. You'll see that our icon has a funny orange thing there. And what I discovered in my practice run-throughs is that I did not remove the SLDS icon standard opportunity class from the span surrounding the emojis. So if I remove that, it'll clear it up. So rather than having everyone do that through the dev tools, let's go here. I'm going to remove this class SLDS icon standard opportunity from the CSS class. I think that was the only one. Save it again. I will also remove our original HTML. Save it, and now push it back to Salesforce. Refresh a few times. There we go. Now we have what looks like the page header with our two emojis, WIPdeveloper.com, and the small text underneath that says "is awesome," because, you know, it seems like a nice small text to have on your page header. Now we could reuse our first component on whatever page that we wanted just by dragging and dropping it, and this would appear as a page header. It looks like Salesforce Lightning, and it blends in with the rest of the styling. So that is how to add styling with the Lightning design system to a Lightning web component. That's all for now. Remember to sign up for the weekly stand-up, and you can get updated with any new information we have on the WIPdeveloper.com.